Hi, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial video on login science. Today in this video I'm going to show you the process on how to manage the activity status on LinkedIn. So please make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, what you need to do is open your application LinkedIn. Move into your profile at the top left corner and then click on settings. Inside settings, move into the option of visibility. Scroll down a little and the option of manage activity status will be visible to you. Click on it. Here, if you want to enable the activity status for the people that are connected on your LinkedIn, then you need to click on your connections only. Well, and if you want to show the activity status to all the LinkedIn members, then you need to click on all LinkedIn members. And if you want to hide the activity status from everyone, then what you need to do is click on no one. Now people won't be able to recognize whether you are online or not. Well, this is it, and with the help of this process you can easily manage your activity status on LinkedIn. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.